Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Kia K5. The Kia K5 has a stylish exterior that will be sure to turn heads. Sleek interior looks, fantastic handling, and an abundance of technology will make this a fun vehicle to drive. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.